Samsung Galaxy A14 4G silently makes its entry. After recently introducing the Galaxy A14 5G globally and then in India, Samsung has now silently launched its 4G counterpart. The new Galaxy A14 4G looks akin to the 5G model but has some under-the-hood changes. Galaxy A14 4G, specs and features. The Galaxy A14 4G has the same water-drop notch and vertically placed rear cameras at the back. It comes in black, silver, green, and dark red color options. There is the same 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, but the change here is support for a 60Hz refresh rate instead of 90Hz. The phone features a 50MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera. There is a 13MP selfie shooter. You can expect features like portrait mode, HDR, and more. There is a change in the chipset too. The Galaxy A14 4G uses a MediaTek Helio G80 SoC paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The device has support for RAM Plus for up to 6GB of additional RAM. Plus, the storage can also be expanded by up to 1TB via a memory card. The A14 4G has a 5000 mAh battery on board with 10W charging. The 5G version has support for 15W charging. Although, in both cases, the charging speed is a little disappointing. One good thing is that it runs One UI 5.0 based on Android 13. Other details to note are a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG NAC, Bluetooth version 5.1, USB Type-C, NFC, a 3.5mm audio jack, and more. Price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy A14 4G is currently listed on Samsung Malaysia's website and should be available soon. There is no word on the price yet, but this should be out soon. As for its availability in India, there is no proper word, but we can expect a launch soon. So, stay tuned.